Hey there, TMG Pits, Knoxville, Tennessee. Guys, I've got a TMG Volunteer rolling out of the shop today. Now this is going on my man Shane. He just made the drive down here from Michigan. So hey, we appreciate it. We got a lot of smokers in Michigan. Great state up there, I hear Michigan is. So we appreciate it, all y'all up there. And Shane has custom ordered this Volunteer for himself. And guys, there are a couple special things about the Volunteer. First, let's talk about the lead time. Okay, now on our custom pits, we're about 55, 60 weeks out, long time. On the Volunteer though, we'll get to you a little quicker. So we're doing typically about a 16, 20 week lead time on these bad boys. And you can get them a couple different ways. You can get them on casters. They start at $44.99 on casters. All right, now Shane obviously has done a couple upgrades here. We got it on our off-road package. He got some badass upgraded wheels and tires from our friends Mods down in Texas. And he's also added this stainless steel front shelf. So that's a great option there. Looks good, won't rust up on you. Cleans up easy, just wipe or clean. So great option there. Love that stainless steel shelf. But let's talk about the Volunteer now. It does come standard with a fold down stack. As you can see, this sucker is tall. She draws like a 2-year-old with a fresh box of crayons on your living room wall there. So got the fold down stack. Come around to the smoke chamber here. Now this is a big smoker, guys. We've got a 27-inch deep smoke chamber, 52 inches long. You got your 2 sliding trays. Of course, you got that top rack in there. Both trays do slide out. You got a water pan shelf back here in the back if you want to set a water pan on there. That way you don't take up any cooking room with it. You do have a 1-inch grease drain with a ball valve on it up there in the front. So drain all your grease out when you're done. Come around the firebox here. Now this is a 3/8 thick firebox, 24-inch diameter, 26 inches long. The smoke chamber is all 1/4 inch. So super heavy duty firebox there. She's gonna last you a lifetime, guys. But hey, that is our TMG Volunteer. Y'all know the deal. If you need a custom pit built like this, you know to call TMG Pits, Knoxville, Tennessee.